How to hide your name on Snapchat. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can do that exactly. And before I show you the step, hit the subscribe and let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left, or also known as Bitmoji on Snapchat. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to Snapchat profile. Inside of your profile at the top right, you can see the setting icon. You want to click on the setting icon. And once you're inside setting, the first option where it says name, you want to click on name. So my current name is being displayed over here. Now if you want to hide your name, what you can do is just remove your last name, and on the first name over here what you can do is just remove it and write a dot. Okay, and click on save, and once you click on save, this is going to be my new name, a little dot, and people will not notice this dot, so they will think like your name is hidden. Or you can just click on where it says remove name at the bottom, and what that will do is basically remove my name. As you guys can see, my name at the top is empty, which means I don't have any name right now. So this is the only thing you can do to hide your name. You can either just put a dot as your name, so it's going to be so hard to notice, or either you just have to remove your name. And don't worry about it, if you remove your name, nobody will be able to see it, but you can always go inside name and add another name if you want, like this, and click on save. But you have to remember, you can change your name however much you want, but username you cannot change it however much you want. It's only once every 1 year, alright? So your name you can do anything you want, like I can change it 10 or 100 times a day, but for my username it's once a year. So don't get confused between name and username, alright? But yeah, that's how you guys can hide your name on Snapchat, by removing it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.